Laptop stands are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best laptop stands from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Arae Adjustable Laptop Stand. Adjustable Angle. Our laptop stand offers 7 adjustable pointing sights. Adjust the height to your comfort level, so that you could feel some relief from back/shoulder/neck/arm pain caused by inappropriate postures. Compatibility: 9 to 15.6 inches. Devices such as MacBook Air, Pro, iPad Air 2/3/4, iPad Pro 2/3/4 and more. Could be work as phone holder as well. Material: this laptop stand is made of aluminum alloy, sturdy and could support laptop at up to 44 pounds, 20 kilograms. Non-sticky and high-quality aluminum allow easy clean and rust-proof function. Anti-slip and heat dissipation. The anti-slip rubber pad on the laptop stand could keep them from sliding away and help them to stay still. By prop-up laptop, heat dissipation will be speed up, much better and faster than non-stand laptop. Foldable and lightweight, only weighted 245 g, 0.54 pounds, could be folded to size of 10 by 1.77 by 0.8 foot, pretty small, easy to carry with provided pouch. Please tell us if you have any product-related problem. We are more than happy to resolve any issues for you. Number 4. Nulaxy Laptop Stand. Heat dissipation. With the open back design, it offers the best ventilation and airflow needed to cool either your notebook or gaming laptop and preventing it from overheating. And the rubber pads and aluminum alloy acts as a thermal pad to take the heat of two. Broader compatibility. Nulaxy C3 laptop stand is compatible with all laptops from 10 to 16 inches such as MacBook 12/13, MacBook Air 13, MacBook Pro 13/15, Google Pixel Book, Dell XPS, HP, Asus, Lenovo ThinkPad, Acer, Chromebook, and other notebook PC computer sizes between 10 to 16 inches. Ergonomic riser. The laptop stand works as a riser to elevate the laptop screen to 7 foot and brings it to a perfect eye level to fix your posture. The ergonomic riser will help reduce neck and back pain, reduce eye strain, creating extra space, giving you the option to work without any clutter on your desk. Note: we suggest you to use an external Bluetooth keyboard and mouse because our testing showed that it might be a little wobbly while you type on the laptop keyboard. Sturdy and protective design made with premium 5mm aluminum alloy. This laptop stand is sturdy and is able to support laptop weighing up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, and with the large rubber pads on the surface it will hold it steady too. We also have pads on the bottom to prevent it from sliding and protecting your laptop from any unwanted harm. Number 3. Avantree Adjustable Laptop Stand. Important notice: this product has been rebranded under Nito as of 2018. With a fresh new packaging and logo. However, the product remains unchanged and you can expect the same high level of quality and customer service as before. Extra size: this table is 23.62 inches by 12.99 inches by 0.35 inches, 600 by 330 by 9 millimeters, of size which fits for 17-inch or larger laptop with space for a mouse. Highly versatile, this multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home or home office. Use it as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, a snack tray for watching TV, a laptop or tablet stand for relaxing in bed, or a food table to enjoy breakfast in bed. Easy to use, you can easily enable quick height changes, adjustable from 9.4 inch to 12.6 on this table using 2 auto-lock buttons on each side. In addition, you can also adjust the surface angle from 0 to 30 by pulling a lock button and releasing it when you get the desired angle. Number 2. 12 South Laptop Stand. Protection: anti-slip silicone pads and bent arms keep laptop in place and prevent scratches. Better ergonomics: curve raises laptop 6 inches, 15 centimeters off your desk to relieve neck and shoulder strain. Multiple uses: pair with a full-size keyboard and mouse for a comfortable desktop setup or use with a monitor for dual-screen functionality. Airflow: curve keeps 70% of the base exposed for optimal cooling. Complement your workspace: Curve's modern minimal design uses a single piece of bent aluminum to fit in with your work environment. Number 1. UGREEN Laptop Stand. Wide compatibility: the laptop riser fits all laptops and tablets from 8 to 17.3 inches, such as MacBook Pro Air, iPad Pro Mini, Dell, HP, Lenovo, ThinkPad, Surface, Chromebook, Microsoft Surface, etc. As long as your device meets the size requirements, then this portable laptop stand will work for you. Stable and durable, this desk laptop stand is made of aluminum body and triangle construction, which is sturdy enough to hold up 11 pounds weight on top. It can effectively ensure the stability of the laptop bracket and prolong its service life. The silicone pads on the holder ensure your laptop is more stable on the foldable stand, preventing it from slipping and scratches. Portable and lightweight, the travel laptop stand can be folded to the size of 10.64 by 2.17 by 1.08 inches, and it is lightweight with the weight of 0.52 pounds, which can easily fit into the briefcase, backpack, handbags, and suitcases. Adjustable height, this laptop holder can be adjusted among 5 level heights from 1.84 to 5.45 inches. It raises your laptop to a perfect eye level and minimizes neck fatigue, back pain, and eye fatigue. The ergonomic design makes it quite easy for watching videos and typing, suitable for the designer, engineer, programmer, and the people who work long hours in front of the laptop. Cooling and ventilation design, this hollow design and forward tilt angle of this notebook stand offer great heat dissipation and natural airflow to prevent your laptop from overheating. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.